Hello and welcome to my very first review on my English channel for Toy Tonic Gearhead. My name is BREHM and I like to show you my most carried Victorinox since years, and it's the Climber Echo, which I like very much just because of the scales. They are nylon scales, not the red Celidor scales, which are very easy to scratch, and the Celidor scales, the nylon scales, you can scratch them if you like, if you see, but it doesn't let the knife looks ugly. So I like the Echo scales, and yeah, I'm looking for Echo scales with plus implements, for carrying a pen with me. So let's go to the tools. The first we have the scissors. I like the scissors, but the spring of the scissors, I think the spring of the scissors from Wenger knives are very much better. So I'm looking forward when to see they change the springs from Victorinox to Wenger. Then we have the big plate, the large plate. Oh, by the way, it's a 91 millimeter knife. We have a small blade called pen blade. In early times, when people written or young school pupils was writing with pens, they used this small blade to sharpen the pens. Most of the time, the people in these days use them for box cutters or smaller whittling. So I do. So next tool is the bottle opener with a large screwdriver, and for cable purposes we have the can opener with a small screwdriver. On the other side, the corkscrew, in which I took the small eyeglass driver, which I found it's very useful. And by the way, in the next video I will show you how easy it is to put a pin here inside, even if the hole on the pin is not already inside the scale. So we have the multi-purpose hook, so it's called by Victorinox. It's from the older times when parcels were rounded with strings, and to carry the parcel without hurting your hand. Yeah. In Germany we have a channel from Dennis. He says it's a string tanga hook, which is a funny name. I like this. I like Dennis a lot. And we have an awl for even for sewing, just because of the hole, which is nice. And then we have a toothpick and the tweezers. Tweezers from Victorinox are very cool, very precise, and I like them a lot. So, and I bought on I believe it was eBay, an original lanyard from Victorinox, and this is pretty much it. Oh, I forgot to look for the weight. The knife weighs 82 grams, which is 2.85 ounces. So, thanks for watching. I hope you liked the review, and yeah, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.